Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I'm Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, naturally, and with a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and I have to say, I am very curious about today's topic.
Oh, really? You seem a little thoughtful today, Jake. Something on your mind?
Actually, yes. I had a work meeting this morning. Someone asked me a question, and I just said, I don't know. And it felt so flat, so awkward.
Oh, I know that feeling. You know something, but the words just don't come out right.
Exactly. Like I wasn't completely clueless. I just didn't know how to say it in a natural way.
That is such a common feeling, and honestly, I don't know is not wrong, but it can sound a little abrupt sometimes, a little closed off.
Yes, that's exactly the word. Closed off. Like the conversation just stops.
Right, so today we're going to unfold some much better options, phrases that sound natural, warm, and smart, even when you don't have the answer.
I really needed this. Let's go. Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping you, please hit the like button and subscribe.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. So the first phrase, and this is one of my favorites, is I'm not sure, but...
I'm not sure, but... So you're saying you don't know, but then you keep going?
Exactly. The but is the key. It keeps the conversation open. I'm not sure, but I think the meeting is at 3. I'm not sure, but maybe we should ask Sarah.
Oh, so you're not just stopping, you're still trying to help.
Right. It shows effort. It shows you're engaged. Even if you don't have the full answer, you're still thinking.
I'm not sure, but I really like this phrase.
See? Already using it. Now, the next one is great for when someone asks you something unexpected. That's a good question.
Oh, I hear this all the time. Teachers say it a lot.
They do, and it works so well because it buys you a moment to think. That's a good question. Let me think about that.
Wait, is that our next phrase too? Let me think about that?
Yes, they go beautifully together. That's a good question. Let me think about that. It sounds confident, thoughtful, not lost.
Wow, instead of just freezing and saying, I don't know, you say that and suddenly you sound so professional.
Exactly. And it's completely honest, too. You are thinking, you're just saying it out loud. That makes so much sense. Okay, what's next? Okay, now sometimes you really, truly have no idea, right? Like someone asks you something and you are completely blank.
Oh, yes, that happens to me more than I'd like to admit.
In that case, instead of just, I don't know, you can say, I have no idea, honestly.
I have no idea, honestly. It feels friendlier somehow.
It does. The word honestly makes it warmer, more personal, like you're being real with someone. I don't know can sound dismissive, but I have no idea, honestly, sounds open and genuine.
Oh, I love that. Small word, big difference.
Always. Okay, next phrase. This one is great for when a professional setting, when someone asks you something and you want to help, but you just don't have the answer right now. I'll find out for you.
I'll find out for you. Oh, that's so good. You're not just giving up, you're taking action.
Right. It shows responsibility. It shows you care. I'm not sure right now, but I'll find out for you. That's a complete, confident answer.
I'm going to use that at work so much. My manager will be impressed.
And the last phrase, this one is a little more casual and fun. I think, but don't quote me on that.
Don't quote me on that. What does that mean?
It means I'm sharing my opinion or my guess, but I'm not 100% sure, so please don't repeat it as a fact. It's a little humble, a little playful.
Oh, like, I think the restaurant opens at 6, but don't quote me on that.
Perfect. Exactly like that. It's casual and very natural between friends or colleagues.
I love it. It feels very human, like a real person talking.
That's the goal, right? Real, natural English. Not perfect, just real. Okay, shall we do a little role play?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, I'll ask you some questions. Try not to say, I don't know. Use our new phrases instead.
Got it. Let's go.
Okay, Jake, what time does the next train leave?
I'm not sure, but I think it's around 7. Let me check for you.
Great. Okay, do you know why the project got delayed?
That's a good question. Let me think about that. I think there were some budget issues, but don't quote me on that.
Perfect. One more. What's the population of Canada?
I have no idea, honestly, but I'll find out for you.
Excellent. See, every single answer sounded natural, warm, and confident. Not one, I don't know.
That was actually fun, and it felt so much better than just freezing.
That's what these phrases do. They keep the conversation alive. They show you're engaged, and honestly, that matters more than having the perfect answer every time.
Yeah, I think people appreciate the effort more than the answer sometimes.
Absolutely. English is not about being perfect, it's about connecting, and these phrases help you do exactly that. Okay, let's go over what we learned today, shall we?
Yes, first, I'm not sure, but you keep going after but, you're still helping.
That little but changes everything. It opens the door instead of closing it.
Then, that's a good question, buys you time and sounds thoughtful.
Pair it with, let me think about that, and you sound completely natural.
Next, I have no idea, honestly, for when you're truly blank, but in a warm, genuine way.
Honestly makes it feel real, not dismissive.
Then, I'll find out for you, for professional moments. You're not giving up, you're taking action.
Shows responsibility, shows you care. Very powerful phrase.
And finally, I think, but don't quote me on that, casual, humble, and very human.
Every one of these phrases keeps the conversation going, and that is the heart of real communication. Jake, next time someone asks you something hard, you've got 6 new ways to answer.
No more freezing, no more flat, I don't know.
Every phrase you learn is one more door you can open. Before we go, here's today's question for all of you. Which phrase are you going to try first? Leave a comment and let us know.
We love reading your comments, and if this helped you, please like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who wants to sound more natural in English.
That's a lot of people. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.
Unfold your voice. Speak with Alice. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.